Hi, I'm Angie from Fakopp, and this is the newsletter for February 2020. So let's see what happened during the last month. According to timeline, first a new pooling test manual was uploaded, because since the last version of it, both the hardware parts of the system and the software was changed a little. So we hope that it will be quite useful for all the pooling test users. Second news is that we will participate on the Tree Assessment Congress in Wroclaw on the 1st of April, but it's not an April Fool's joke. We will be there, and we will be happy to see you there as well. It will be a nice event with interesting lectures, and they will be held in English, so if you have time, have a look at the program. Our third news is maybe the most exciting of the month, is that we posted the first images of the blind sensors image, which are specially designed nails which fit perfectly to ArborSonic system, and they can behave as producers of acoustic signals. So they cannot receive, but after all, they can increase the measurement lines and give us more precise geometry. It was, or it is still going on, because we are just reaching the final test. So this development started about 1.5 years ago, and the most of the work was algorithm and software development. And as we are really at the end of it, at the finish, there will be updates on this topic in the following weeks as well. So follow our Facebook to see what's going on, to hear the fresh news. And our last news for this month is that we are trying to improve, of course, all cells and our products as well. So we started collecting user feedbacks and opinions, but these are not only feedbacks, but we are really interested in if there is something you missed, something you would like to change, what could we improve, and if there will be a field, a topic which is something many people misses, then we will prioritize that for our future developments. So thank you for your attention, and see you in March.